In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Monday.com. We're going to walk through how to set up the native integration so your Asana tasks automatically sync with items on your Monday board. This is a great way to keep both tools aligned without having to copy and paste information or manually update things in two places. First, open the Monday.com board that you want to sync with Asana. Take a moment to make sure this is the right board for the workflow you're connecting. For example, it might be your main project board, a team task board, or a client-specific board. Whatever it is, that's where new items from Asana will appear. Once your board is open, look toward the top right of the screen for the Integrate button. It usually looks like a small plug icon. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of Monday's native integrations live and where you'll connect Monday to Asana. A panel or window will open showing different apps you can integrate. Use the search bar and type in Asana. When you see Asana appear in the list, click on it to open the available integration templates. These templates are pre-built automation rules that define how data flows between Asana and Monday. Here, choose the template that best matches what you want to happen. For example, a common option is, when a task is created in Asana, create an item on this board. That means any new task created in Asana will automatically show up as a new item on your selected Monday board. You can explore other templates later, but for now, pick the one that fits your main use case and select it. Next, click the Connect button. At this point, Monday will prompt you to log into your Asana account if you're not already signed in. Sign in and authorize Monday to access your Asana workspace. This connection is what allows Monday to read tasks and keep everything synced, and you can always revoke access later from your Asana settings if needed. Once your accounts are connected, you'll be asked to map the fields between Asana tasks and Monday items. This is an important step. You'll decide, for example, which Asana field becomes the item name, which field maps to status, due date, assignee, or any custom columns you've set up. Take a moment to ensure each field lines up in a way that makes sense for your team's workflow. When you're happy with the field mapping, click Add to Board to activate the integration. From this point on, any new task that meets your chosen template conditions in Asana will automatically create or update an item on your Monday board, keeping both tools in sync with far less manual effort.